Agitavach everyone. Lately I've been having some issues with my little one opening up the cabinet, taking out whatever now she wants without asking before. I ordered those baby locks on Amazon. It's really helpful and it's very easy to install. Let me show you how to do it. This is the actual lock. To install it, all you need to do is take off the backing from this one. Now the question is, how do I know where to install it? Which part of the door? All you need to do is position it like this over here, wherever you think you want it. And make sure that the tip of the cabinet over here is right over here by the edge of this one. If you do it like that, it's nicely going to close. Let's try that over here. This, beautiful. You press it down, close by itself, won't move anywhere. Now let me show you a very cool feature about this type of baby lock. If you don't want to use the baby lock, all you need to do is press it down, lock it over here, and it's open. Obviously the sticker enough is very good. It's triple and strong tape. If you want, it comes with little screws. You can add additional support over here at the two openings. Look at this. No more taking nash without asking beforehand. Have a wonderful week.